Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Godwin Marvelous Omobayo on Monday lead team of government functionaries to visit one gas explosion scene for the Otaru Road axis of Auchi, the administrative headquarters of Esako West Local Government Council. For in talk with Tori people after the spot assessment of the scene, the Deputy Governor come talk say the most important thing be say life no dey lost for the gas explosion and say as government will get the people for heart, them go do the needful. He come see talk say
the most important thing is no human casualty, but going forward, we will do the needful as a government. It starts by first of all identifying, because my people were here yesterday, we had 3-4 commissioners with the council chairman, the commissioner for public safety and security, the commissioner for, I think, energy, and the commissioner for physical planning. So they were all here to do an on-the-spot assessment. The state emergency agency was also on ground. What I can say is we are a government that have this element of care in us. We are always proactive. So they came ahead. Of course, we were supposed to be here. The governor was not around, but it's a system that is a balanced system. It's such that you don't need to make any call. Once there's an emergency, the necessary organs of government will just bring it to action.
For another Tory, Edo State Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don join body with leaders and members of PDP Edo North Senatorial District to mobilize the people for the upcoming INEC voters registration exercise in respect of the September 21st governorship election. Deputy Governor gave this charge during the inauguration of the party's campaign management committee for the following senatorial district, wey be Etsako, Onwa and Akoko Edo Federal Constituency. Omobayo's message for the various venues of the exercise na say Aswa Godalo and Osarodio Ogie ticket for the upcoming election na the best for the people of Edo State. The committees where they inaugurated on Monday for the PDP secretariat for Agenibode, Esako East, Fuga, Esako Central and Auchi, Esako West attract party leaders, members and supporters of the ruling party from across Edo North.
As a member of the Esako Central Local Government Committee for the upcoming governorship elections slated for 21st of September.
Omobayo for the committee inauguration for Igara come talk say PDP na party where they work with results, not effort, and say make the committee members reach out to everyone, including other parties, as the campaign dey beyond party.
PDP is not a party of effort, it's a party of results. We are result-oriented, and I sleep and wake up thinking about how to get results. And by the grace of God, you have to support this beyond not about party. Reach out to everybody, APC, tell them why it's important. Because whether you like it or not, Obaseki has done something, it's a political risk, and you don't have any reason not to reciprocate it. If you are able to do this, it means we now stand a chance.
Chief Mike Ogiadome will be leader of PDP Edo North Elders Council and member National Board of Trustees, come assure the Deputy Governor of their support as them go stand gidigba with him.
We the Edo North Elders Forum, we decided that we will join you and we join all other local governments in carrying out this assignment because of the importance of the work you have been told to do.
Senator Victor Oyofo, will be one of PDP Esako leaders, can show support for the zoning of the governorship ticket to Edo Central for the purpose of equity and inclusivity.
To choose the best of the lot to lead the rest. The best of the lot to lead the rest. So ordinarily, you don't happen to campaign about Aswe Godalo. Is it his competence? Is this his qualifications? Is this his character? Is this his pedigree? Etc. etc. But what is more important that is going to happen to you today is the fact that Akoko does not have any reason to shout anymore about marginalization.
The campaign management committee, they expected today inaugurated for the 18 local government area of the state. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Edo North, Balomi Mukoro, TMC TV News.